Have you ever wondered why ginseng is such a popular ingredient in health and wellness circles? Well, it's time to unravel the mystery. Ginseng, a unique root, has its roots, pun intended, in the mountainous regions of East Asia. Known for its distinct shape resembling a human body, this plant has been revered in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years. But what exactly is ginseng? It's a slow-growing perennial plant with fleshy roots that fall under the genus Panax, which fittingly translates to all healing in Greek. This powerful health booster is typically classified into two major types, American and Asian, each with its unique properties and benefits. Ginseng's popularity isn't just a fad, its reputation as a health-boosting superstar is backed by numerous studies. It's been linked to enhancing mental clarity, boosting energy levels, and even supporting immune function. The humble ginseng root, a staple in traditional medicine, is much more than it appears, as we'll discover in the next segment. Now that we know what ginseng is, what exactly does it do for our health? Good question. Ginseng is a veritable powerhouse of health benefits that have been recognized for thousands of years. One of the most celebrated among these is its potential to boost energy. Ginseng contains compounds known as ginsenosides, which are believed to fight fatigue and enhance physical capacity by reducing oxidative damage and increasing energy production in cells. But that's not all. Ginseng is also known for its potential role in managing blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that it can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels in people with and without diabetes. This means that incorporating ginseng into your diet could help maintain a healthy balance of blood sugar. And what about cholesterol? Well, ginseng has got that covered too. It's suggested that this potent root can help lower cholesterol levels, contributing to heart health and reducing the risk of heart disease. Now, let's talk about stress. In today's fast-paced world, who isn't dealing with a bit of stress? Ginseng is believed to have adaptogenic properties, which means it may help your body adapt to stress, promoting a sense of relaxation and well-being. And there's more. For those managing diabetes, ginseng could be a valuable ally. It's believed to not only help regulate blood sugar levels, but also offer antioxidant protection that could reduce complications associated with this condition. Lastly, ginseng has also been used to manage sexual dysfunction in men. It's thought to enhance erectile function and could be a natural alternative to traditional medications. With such a plethora of health benefits, it's no wonder ginseng has been revered for centuries. From boosting energy to reducing stress, from managing diabetes to promoting heart health, ginseng truly is a gift of nature that keeps on giving. But remember, while ginseng offers a wealth of benefits, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new health regimen. So, we've learned about the benefits of ginseng, but how can we incorporate it into our daily lives? Let's start our day with a warm cup of ginseng tea, which is an excellent way to enjoy the benefits of this wonder root. Ginseng tea is easy to make. You just need to steep the root or the powder in hot water for a few minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to infuse into the water. Add a spoonful of honey for a touch of sweetness, and you've got a soothing, health-boosting beverage to kickstart your day. But the use of ginseng isn't limited to just tea. You can also take it in supplement form. Ginseng supplements come in various forms, such as capsules and tablets. It's a quick and convenient way to get your daily dose of ginseng, especially for those of you who are always on the go. Now let's get a bit creative here. How about incorporating ginseng into our meals? Yes, you heard it right. Ginseng can be a fantastic addition to various dishes. It has a unique flavor profile that can enhance the taste of your food while providing its health benefits. Here's a simple recipe for a ginseng-infused chicken soup. You'll need a whole chicken, a few ginseng roots, some garlic, ginger, and salt. First, clean the chicken and stuff it with ginseng roots, garlic, and ginger. Then, place the stuffed chicken in a pot, add enough water to cover it, and bring it to a simmer. Let it cook slowly for about 3 hours. The result is a flavorful, nourishing soup that not only warms your body but also provides the healthful benefits of ginseng. Remember, the key to reaping the benefits of ginseng is regular consumption. So whether it's a warm cup of tea in the morning, a supplement in the afternoon, or a hearty ginseng-infused meal for dinner, there are plenty of ways to make ginseng a part of your daily life. Incorporating ginseng into your daily routine can be as simple as sipping on a warm cup of ginseng tea. As we've seen, ginseng is an incredibly versatile and beneficial plant. This humble root, hailing from the far reaches of Asia, packs a potent punch of health benefits. It's been known to boost energy, sharpen mental function, and even enhance physical performance. But the perks of ginseng don't stop there. It's also been linked to supporting immune system health, managing blood sugar levels, and promoting a sense of calm and well-being. Truly, ginseng is a powerhouse of wellness that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Whether you choose to steep it in a hot cup of tea, whip it into a smoothie, or take it as a supplement, there's a ginseng solution to fit every lifestyle. And remember, while ginseng offers many benefits, it's always best to do your own research and consult a healthcare professional to find what works best for you. With ginseng, a healthier you is just a cup of tea away. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips.